And we're live! Look at that! Hello and welcome, everyone! Let's see who's here. Hi, Ravia. A rare guest, but you will get a shout out later. Then we have Sticks, always nice to see you. And Jack coming in with the hydrate, which I prepared. So then we have a random fact, and I need to read this. Did you guys hear what happened on the 2nd of May, 1845? 79 people died after the Jarmouth suspension bridge collapsed in Great Jarmouth, England, as they watched a circus stunt involving a clown in a bathtub being pulled by 4 geese. Geese, excuse me, it's geese. That's a random fact and a half. Cricket, yes, that sounded exactly like a hacking montage. There's nothing wrong with the montage, right? Yeah, I would never hack anything. Never in my life. All the accusations are false. Hey Sully, hey Mavis. Nice to see you right from the beginning. That's a rare occasion. So you got a new alarm clock. What do an old lady and pork pie have in common? The smell. For geese power, yes, exactly. Holy. Jack, damn! Oh my god! Yeah, but Sully, what do you tell the people? The clown in the bathtub that got dragged in a bathtub by geese? Or do you tell people, oh yeah, the bridge collapsed and 80 people died? Yes, we can be lucky that White Death is not here yet. He would have a stern conversation with us. Dev, what you done? It wasn't me. She was pregnant when we met. Mr. Assassin. I was not involved in any of this. It's a free-for-all, go for it. Well, we don't know if the geese died, right? So what we're gonna do today is make some icons, right? Until one of you invests his points to distract me for the rest of the stream. Well, they could just drag the bathtub with them. There we go. Draw an emote. Alright, yeah. Let's just do it. Come on. So, what kind of emote do you want? Tell me about your emote. And another hydrate. Damn, the Wednesday streams really become my main stake here. I feel like they are less formal, probably because of the people that show up. Yes, that's what it's like to watch you. But I'm less confused, Cricket. Most of the time, I know what I'm doing. So, we got a Photoshop. We now need to hear from Jack what he wants. What the f do you want? I mean, we have this Jack classic. So first of all, I never did animations in Photoshop. I can draw you a collapsing bridge, right? We can look what the jaw mouth bridge looked at. But I never did Photoshop animations. And I don't see any benefit in learning it. Jaw mouth bridge. There's oh, it was just like one of those adventurer bridges. You can do keyframes really easy. Oh god. I mean, I would need to watch video. Simple animation. I'm concerned about the amount of half-naked men on my page here. But who are you? She could tell me to make the dishes? Holy shit. It's not fun if it's not animated. Alright, I have an idea how I would do it. I just need a simple Photoshop animation. Yeah, I don't have 25 minutes. Come on, there must be. Making gifts from your art. So we draw our bridge, right? So you don't even see the video. Excuse me, it's my main screen. So you missed the beautiful woman. So yeah, we draw. Do we do it in layers? Yes. And then window, timeline, create frame animation. Oh, that's easy. I can do that. Alright. Yeah, we can do that. So, for everyone who just missed the short. Can I see the last video? Yeah, okay. Let's just draw a suspension bridge, right? So what we need is a folder. Let's just start. Let's not look at muscle mummies again. Will just distract me. That's an axolotl. My mother? My mother's not a muscle mummy. She got cancer. Was she supposed to build some muscle? So yeah, let's get a nice earthy tone. We start with a nice earthy tone. Well, Jack, suddenly it's uncomfortable, right? So, I mean, we can use my usual style of outlining, right? So, can also have some planning. Wait. So that's like some rocks. So we need those in all 3 frames, which means I'm just refrain from bodybuilder slash cancer. You can't do your joke. I don't mind. So you go there and you go there. Wait. Oops. Yes, I wanted to do icons. Now I do emotes. Alright, so we can just... Oh, you know what we can do? We are really going fancy now. Get ourselves some green. Now it looks like an ugly potato. Because we know all potatoes are ugly. But as we know, potatoes are the only vegetable that can still grow even if you neglect them. Which makes me basically a potato. There we go. Isn't that nice? So I need 3 of those. So we make a 3 frame thingy, right? That's not what I wanted to do. A potato with arms. Excellent. Arm-tato. So, Jack, how was your vacation? Was good? You see 2 knees. Well, you can see 2 knees. If this is what your knees look like, please see medical attention. It was great, that's good to hear. So let's start on the first frame, which is the bridge still intact, right? What do we need for a good suspension bridge? Needs suspensions problem. Whoop. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. See the angle? That means the bridge is not okay anymore. Thank God I watched a real civil engineer and know how to design a bridge now. Another hydrate. Wait, didn't I miss a hydrate already? Yes. Yeah, stay low, people. Stay low. The social media team is here. Man, fun police. We are not talking about pork pie. Would never do that. I guess. So let's reduce this. We actually need to put it on all of them as well. You know what? We can just delete them then. and then reduce it to 1, and we just duplicate it. Alright, so now we build a bridge. No. Dix, did you watch the cheese tags video at the end? Did you just ignore it? The cheese tags video I sent you. It's the one with the dog. Ah, that sucks. I knew it. Because I had to think of this video when you said it's very serious business. And you say this quote fairly often. Yeah, if it would have been a good bridge, wouldn't have collapsed. That doesn't look like a really good bridge. Let me Google something. It is a bridge, yes. So, Jack, do you want people on the bridge? It will just be a few stick figures. A goose and some people. A goose. Do you know how many pixels I have here? Holy man. Don't complain if it looks like. I should maybe go for some grayish color so you can actually see it. I mean, it needs to feed. I did watch the thing, yes. Yeah, the goose is actually pretty cute looking at the other screen, right? Because my tablet is way too bright, but it's really crisp on your end. So now you get some easily drawn stickman. In a world of low-res stickman, be a high-res goose. Looks like a flap. They all look like holy. Yes, they're worshipping the goose. Oh, today I saw like the funniest German meme. But you wouldn't get it. Cause it's too German. So did I finish the... Yes. It's not even stream safe. That's the problem. Maybe I can explain the meme. There's a guy who is walking through a garden center, and as he passes the garden gnomes, there's a garden gnome waving, and he just raises his right arm, so he's talking about the flower pots on the left, turns his head to the right and says, "Good day, comrade," and walks further. And I thought it was hilarious, because it was out of nothing. I thought, why am I watching this? He's talking about flower pots. Which wouldn't be the worst thing I watched today. So, I have an idea how I can cut out a lot of work. Which I'm a great fan of. First, we need to align this perfectly, right? And then we call this reach intact. Yes, like the Hitler salute. The Mustache Man salute. So, and then we do something what I call a programmer move. First we make a new layer, right? Oh, nah. Not that bad actually. So there's a lot of things you can say and do. Raising your right arm is none of those things. That's why our taxis needs to be called via phone. You can't wait for a taxi. Because there is this few degrees of angle where you would get arrested. Good question. It would probably be worse. Mr. Jack. So. There is no Uber in Germany. It actually got banned. Because the taxi drivers were complaining that they can't compete with the prices. Because the taxi drivers raise their prices for, like, since they are taxis. So it got banned. Nah. Oh, they have their own apps and they're even working, but the prices, dude. Can't compare the prices. Like for a 30-minute ride, you're about 25 bucks here. Oh yeah, I'm a prime example for our f***ed up school system. If it comes to history, and I always make this joke. According to my history knowledge, we fought Napoleon and for some reason elected Hitler. Because there's a giant gap in my historical education. Because they changed the teaching plans. Well, yeah, we actually have a lot of education on the topic, right? So he was probably just annoyed. Well, it's the same thing, White Dev. Do you actually give a shit if your driver is licensed? And if so, do you demand friends and family to have a license if they drive you around? Oh, come on. Who needs a driver's license, really? Huh? What for? Driver's license are just a method of the state to control us. Have you ever tried starting a car without a driver's license? Still works. Just a fraud. So my grip on this thing slowly changes, which means I'm adapting. See? I know stuff. Huh? I know my stuff. Hang on. Ah, I'm stupid. Coño. Okay, so we need to redraw the line. Yes, I know. Blah 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 blah. Come on. There we go. Whoop. Whoop. Hey Arte. Yesterday I was just thinking about that I haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? And usually if you're not stream we bump into each other in a stream or two. You really went low profile. How's it going? What are you up to? What is having a driver's license to do with locking your house, White Death? There's nothing in common. And you don't need to lock your house if you don't want to, but you need to have a driver's license. I don't have my door locked because I have a gun. Locking your door is a government conspiracy. Just want you to feel safe. Yes, I'm actually well armed. But yeah, why do we need licenses? And if you say it's so that you know that a person is qualified to do so, why do they cost money? Which means that driving a car is a privilege. A privilege for the rich elites. I don't know why do this with a 1 pixel. Hey elite! Nearly missed you there. Hey Scratcher! How are you doing? 30 bucks? Where do you get a driver's license for 30 bucks? Dude. Back from school. How was school? So we have the bridge thing. We need to copy this. Yo, I need to make this way more expensive because it's so much fucking work. So this is bridge intact. Bridge snapping. Yeah, I was tasked to make a new emote. So now we get this one right because we use an old technique I like to call being smart. So what we need to do, right, is get those men, woman thingy stick figurines. That's what I'm looking for. And we cut them out. Put them here. Rotate them. To simulate falling. We can make some whoosh lines. So the viewer clearly sees that they are whooshing down. So Jack, is this how you got your driver's license? How else do you indicate direction of travel? Well, Artie, the whole discussion started with me claiming that licenses are a government tool to control us. And if someone takes something I say on stream serious, doesn't sound like a me problem. See? That makes sense once in a while. I've been here since then. So let's add the whoosh lines and then we break the bridge apart. Well, how about we don't allow people to get their license back? No redemption. And look, they whoosh so fast. Well, you know, I get ads on Facebook where people tell you how you get your driver's license back after you lost it, being repeatedly caught driving drunk. I think that's a critical problem. I was tasked to, yeah, as Stick said, I actually wanted to make Blender icons and I even started on one. But then someone invested the points and now I make an animated icon. So that's what's happened. So I don't know what we do with the duck, to be honest. Oh, the goose, excuse me. It's a goose. Yes, of course. I don't know what we do with the goose. Oh. Can you just let it sit there? That would be an idea. We just let it fly away. Okay, so the goose. Yeah, I have an idea now for the goose. Which one is it? This one, right? Okay, that's about that. Bridge broken. So now we can make some flames of hell that you want for some reason. Oops. And a shaft of light from above. So Arthur, when will you stream again? Can we talk about that? Because you have been absent for a while. I think it's quite dramatic. I could do like oh wait. You can't do this. There is this tool and I don't know if it works how I want it to work. Get one? Yes. Let's add some holy light. Where is the... It looks like the goose had an orbital laser. Oops, that's the... Yes. It will be, it will someday be a ornament on the wall of game dev. You can clearly see that. This is the masterpiece called The Last Days of Jarmouth. Okay, and now we need to make an animation. So let me get the video up again where he clicks. One to three streams from Friday to... Oh, right. I was like, why would you do 3 streams on a Friday? Why? So, where did he click? Window. Fenster! As it's called in German. And then we go... What is the next step? It's called timeline? Timeline. Fenster. Zeitleiste. Aha. Yes, it's correct. It looks the same. Alright. Hope to see your stream after. Oh no. Make frames from layers. What is this? Does this do anything? Alright, yeah. Is this in minutes or in seconds? Can I play this just for the giggles? Oh, no problem. I want to see your streams. Even though I don't talk a lot. because I'm working on my stuff. I still listen, which you can notice, because sometimes I just come into a conversation. Alright, let's play this. Alright. Hang on, please, stop. Alright. So. It's so ridiculous, I love it. So yeah, let's cut the total video length. Hey, off money? Doing alright, man. Just made my first webcomic. Don't know why. What Sticks is always telling about, like it's such a big deal, right? I did it in like an hour, come on. And it tells an epic story. Want to see my webcomic? Let me make this a little bit longer, right? So Jack, what do you say? Well, we can make the snap shorter, right? And then this longer, and then we put this. But why is this so much fun? Alright, everyone ready for the big premiere? And it begins. It's art. It's great. I love it. Was a good idea to learn this. I will make a redeem for that, but because it takes about an hour to make such a short clip, right? I will make it expensive. So. How do I save this? Oh, I need to export it, right? Ship it. I have no clue how to export this. Is this part of the video, please? File. Yes, it is actually export. Quick export. Save for web legacy. Yes. Stopp. Speichern unten. Yeah, I should really click where I want to click, right? Ah yes, the German stuff. Acid GIF. To be honest, I have no clue to work like this. It does. But I had a good name. The end of jar mouth. So we can all agree this is art. So how's your game? Did you have money? The goosening. The goosening is good. Save this. Alright, I will do a short break. Just getting up. So. Oh, polishing. I never played your game. Just so you know. I think I just saw some screenshots, to be honest. So I will go. I will take a short break of 5 minutes. Take a piss. Refill my coffee. And have a smoke break. Then we watch the goosening animation again. And then we go back into it. Into some Blender and stuff. Be right back. And I have returned. Oh no, I need to catch up on chat. The chat doing. So, well earned. Horrible. You say that, but if I play it, I might find out myself. Make him. You could make me do a part 2. Well, the ending of the first chapter of the goosening pretty much established the goose goes to heaven. Goose is going to happen. So. But I hope I limit it to once a stream. The hair metal band. What is hair metal? Okay. Yes, so I limited it. It's a good thing, so we can actually still finish some stuff. At least I hope so. Don't need to fill it or something. We don't need to show the bottom. Alright, Jag, I see you next time. I'll probably work on the goosening too. Hang on, we can do it better. See you next time. No, we don't need the bottom of that. We can just do this and then we do a little box of ammo. What am I working on? Standard ammunition, yes. So it's 5 by 10 usually. Good. Like that, and we angle that slightly. Yes, we need a proper camera just to set up our icon scene. So what are you guys up to? What are you doing currently? A strange way to end the song. I'm trying to understand why my code thinks 5 minus 5 equals 15. I had a similar issue. What was it? 5 minus 3 equals 6. And at the end it was an array error. Which really pissed me off because I could have solved this issue a long way ago. I would have thought of this. That didn't make sense to me. That's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Yeah, practical is an NPC. I mean, he seems to be online every time, right? That means something. Too much, 20, nope. 35 degrees. Much. How about 10? Nope. So we go with 30. Just put in some extra lines. Could make them a little bit more pointy. Because you know, pointy flies better. I can make the rectangles longer. Wanna penetrate with those ends? There we go. try to get a new patch out from a game due tomorrow. Ooh. Put yourself a deadline, that's good. Alright, let's solidify that for some reason. Actually can do the following, which is, amazingly enough, subdivision. Looks like yes, you need to be careful in setting stuff up like this. That's the only thing. And don't forget there's an autosave, so you can just, before it crashes, it usually manages to autosave. Blended. Do you know how often it crashed on me today while rendering the guns? At some point, you just don't care. Carton. Carton. Outside. Blended. Blend, yes. Half money, where are you from? If you get that joke. You are from Germany, really? I didn't know that. You never told me. Nah, I don't believe you. That's a professional. That's a professional way to say it. We get es Ihnen. If you would be German, you would just have said, "Wie geht es dir?" And you're missing a comma. Sally, where are you from? You were from Canada, right? Tja. Ja, hast recht. Hallo, guten Tag. I live in Niagara Falls, Canada, right? Damn, I wish you would be from Europe, because then I could have said, well, you had your chance, right? Where coffee? And there's really not much to see in Germany, but I say this from a guy living in Germany who was once asked what would people need to pay you to leave your country. And there was like the train ticket and some snacks. So yeah. Hey Sean, what are you doing? What's going on with you? You haven't been streaming in ages. What is problem? You tell. Oh no, I don't. Because I want to create a business, right? And Germany is not good breeding ground for businesses, which means eventually I need to leave. Or get a mobster tax attorney. Yeah, every country around, maybe not the Benelux countries, are better for economy or for businesses in Germany. Yes. Yes, that's a really good point White Death is making. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, you actually don't have to live in the country where your company is. It just needs to be in the EU. Got so many streamers get affiliate lately. I feel bad if I don't watch and help them. Help them, yeah. I've been stuck in the root. I think it has its advantages. So the EU definitely, like the Schengen Agreement and stuff, and for economy it's really good. But they're taking care of so much they don't need to take care of. Oh, the whole regulation stuff. Okay, you get back to streaming. Well, I'm always appreciated that you're here, my friend. This is a safe space for people to just chill, have a good time. Don, do you want to see my short movie I made in an hour? While we're here. It is The Goosening. It's so amazing. How can I restart this? What do you mean I can't? So it's a story of a bridge that collapsed. And our little goose survived. I know, right? It's amazing. And it's my first animation I ever made with Blender. No, not with Blender. I made a bunch of those. With Photoshop. But I hate animations with Blender. It's so annoying to do. Takes so much time. I just got a gifted sub at that sec, my friend. Really? Who gifts subs these days? Oh, you missed it. Alright, so this is the goosening. Yeah, it's amazing, right? I will make it as an animated gift. Animated emote. Holy shit, I'm confused today. I mean, yeah, it's definitely better, but it's time consuming, right? I need to do art, I need to do stuff. I can't just hang out and... Ooh. Bullshit. No? This one took a day. I can make this in an hour, dude. Hey, Mefrim. I'm doing alright, mate. We just made an animation. It's called The Goosening. It tells the story of a collapsing bridge and the ascendance to heaven. See, marketing sticks. See how I phrased it, and now Mavrim is like, oh, what? Goose, like the animal. Did I even say goose? No, I didn't. There's a goose. Now you saw it. So yeah, that's what we do, or that's what we did. Let's stop goosing around. Yeah, good point. Why is this so? Why is it like this? There we go. Okay, now off to do the thing. You do the thing, and we see you later doing the thing. You got the thing. Yes, let me do some shoutouts, right? I promised one to Javier. Was making his own.
I don't even think it runs.
Space Citizen,
like
Star Citizen.
So
wow.
Like one of the missing pieces to my stream puzzle is I want you know the overlay system. It's going well at work as usual, but assessing a collection so I can have Twitch in the background. I gotcha. So one of the overlying problems that I have when I'm working with this overlay system is I want to get all my Twitch alerts. Now I built an ape.
Some clips are weird. So then we have also Styx Color, who is drawing a game. And of course, right this clip, she's coding.
No one else around. Have they perished too? I took it away from you, yeah. Leave?
Then we have Sean. Sean, do you have clips? Probably. Oh, you don't? Oh, because I didn't write you probably. SO at. You probably have one.
So
Very energetic.
it's nice and chill for a second. So I'm still here, guys. Yeah, this is not Auto Mod Stella, by the way. This song is a Shauna 4D original. Enjoy. It's called Lava Mix. That's it. Lava Mix G for Lava Mix to go in the game. I started off with a lava.
So who else do we got? We have Arthur. Arthur doesn't have clips. I give him a shout out nonetheless. So I need you all to be at Arthur's stream, right? Because first of all, he's making his own game in his own engine with sprites he makes in his own painting program. Welcome, Anime. Welcome. He's a good guy, wholesome streamer, very nice, very well spoken. And I need help, guys. We need to make some clips in his stream, right? Every time I shout him out, no clips shown. Can just hang out, say hello. There, all the cool people are there. So who else? Who didn't I shout out? Oh, I know. The Mabus Games. Maybe it's a fellow 3D artist. Even though he uses the wrong program.
Thank you. Miss Lisa Girly Gamer.
You're welcome.
You too. that was me being flirtatious. I'm terrible. I'm no good at it. Where is out? Right
That
there.
was perfect timing.
You can see some of the weapons that I do have made already. I've got a sword and shield somewhere. I'll go and see if I can find it. I love these though. These are cool. This one's almost too shiny. The damn sword.
That was awesome. So, Sally, are you streaming? I always forget. Don't have a profile pic, so I would say no. Yes, Sully. Okay. Oh, as usually people stream and then watch a game dev, but not you though. Mavram. At Mavram. How much money do you stream? Hey, that's the shooter you made. You can play it completely in the browser. Right? You go on the stream, tell him you want to play the game, and you can fight against him in his own game. And it makes it more satisfying to serve his ass, you know? That sounded wrong. To defeat him in an honest combat. Man on man. Man, then it's too bad to stream. Okay. You know what they said is no bad internet. Except there is bad internet, okay. Yeah. I get your point. So we have this. Let's put on some text, don't you think? Or did I forget? So if I now forgot someone to shout out, right? You tell me. Or do you want my secret stream I hang out all the time? He's not here today. Yeah, no problem. So it is the cat. Recently I asked in his stream if I would have more followers and viewers if I had a cat. So here comes the problem, I'm not a cat person. I'm a dog person. Not even that fully, right? If you ask me what kind of animal do you want, it wouldn't be one of those. I'm not a giant cat. Why am I a cat? Yeah, definitely. I hope I wrote this wrong, right. No, I didn't. So let me look how you write this stream, right? It's Sammy. Sammy is amazing. Amazingly talented game developer. Makes a cute corgi bakery game. Oh, I hope we have a clip. Should have. She's Japanese, speaking Japanese mostly. There is no clip. I can't believe it. But yeah, I like her streams. I hang out there. I have like 107,000 channel points by now. I'm actually a hedgehog person. I had 2 hedgehogs in my life. Yes. Hedgehogs are kinda cool. You know what we could do? Could get a second one. Flip that. But we have same texture, but we flip that, so yes. So we need white on this side, black on this side. Because right now we can do this, right? Which means I need to really think hard right now. Nah, thinking is hard. You know. Hang on. I can fix that. Oh, that's the scale. The scale. Location is what I'm after. Not this one. It's not this one. This one. So now if we mix them just up, right? Or we put them in a factor, get this. And now stuff gets fancy. Hey, Tina, how are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Where have you been? Haven't seen you in ages. Yeah, I was worried, man, girl. I was worried. What happened to you? Yeah, let me give you a shout out, right? There's this lady, Mistleaf. She's coding.
I'm waiting on links there, yikes. There we go. Okay. I knew there was someone still.
She's from Canada.
I played Dungeon game. Yeah, okay. I think I've got pretty much everyone. Alrighty. So, let's do a little randomizer. We've got 3 links here because I am not playing my own game.
Ah, Ludum Dare.
The same Atomica. Alright, what do we got here? Atomica is a simulation game about unstable atoms and nuclear fission. And killed a dog here. Your goal of the game is...
Red Cabin coming in with a rate of 15. Holy. Let me give you the next shout out, right? Red Cabin Games, good friend. Making Space Scavenger 2, which is the second game of Space Scavenger. You know what I mean.
This huge Guardian thing is that it's so easy. You can just hide behind the wall and shoot him from around the corner.
Can I have this clip? Hey, Grumble.
Maybe he needs,
Next time we talk about how hard those areas are in your game.
he needs a bit of a better.
Yes, I love my Blender nodes. Cause I can do fun stuff with them. Like this. Whoop, that's the flag of Austria. Let's not do this. I need to learn someday. We all need to learn something someday. Tina, yeah, it's a Red Cabin. I mean, maybe you want to describe it. I would go for roguelike space survival game in space. Yeah, don't hire me for your marketing campaigns. And Tina, right, if you want to see some gameplay, you can have a look on my VODs on Twitch, because I played it a week ago. Never say that survival is your weakness. Let's get you yeeted out of the gene pool. Well, you can also stay and take a look in like 20 minutes. Yeah, not sure if survival is correct. What's the definition of that? Well, you need to survive, don't you? You need to take care of your ammunition. Well, yeah, by that definition, probably every game is a survival game. I get that. It's not survival, it's the survive aspect of survival, you know? Yeah, exactly. Twin stick action roguelike with on-the-fly spaceship building. Do you have a shortcut for that? Twin stick action roguelike with on-the-fly spaceship building. I like this part because the spaceship building is really good. We all know the strongest shape was created on my stream, and it's the redneck TIE fighter. Alright, so we have this. We need some text, right? Can just put in a random image for now. Oh yeah, you enjoy your lurking? You give greetings to your bestie? She probably knows me. Maybe she doesn't. Who knows? You have a good one. Actually, if you tell me to greet someone from you, I will do it just to see someone confused. So we have an image texture, right? Let's just take a random image. With... Oh, now we need to have a look actually. I don't want to have crap on there. You know what? That's a good one. We take this one. That's kind of cute. I wanted to use them somehow anyway. So, right, now we put this on UV. Now the magic happens, right? Gosh. We need, so which side do we see? We see this side, so we just scale up this side. So the hedgehog fits in there. I use it. Right, that's the issue. And that's the issue. Now we rotate this. And we rotate this again. I think that's a really cute mascot for ammunition manufacturer. So now the fun begins. Pause. Find a sweet spot. Probably need to rework this in Photoshop. Can try it with a constant. Alright, that's the alpha for the mix. That's not scary at all. I mean, we can quickly break this together in Photoshop. I have like 20 minutes. So how was your stream, Jonas? Six hours, but felt like 2 hours of progress. You have sometimes days like this. I was coding for, I don't know, like 8 hours on Saturday, and I felt like I did nothing. So I started Blender, you know. So the stuff you did today, right? The data table or data structure. Alright, I see you next time, Half Money. Did you program the data tables yourself, or is this a feature of Unity? You know, where you can change the damage and the explosive type. Semi-featured. 207 displaying the values is the Unity feature, but I decided what values go to. Oh, okay, so it's basically like our data tables. Can you change the values inside this table during runtime? Oh, that was a mistake. Mistakes were made. Yes, should be doable, but I won't apply the models that are already in. See, that's something we can't. We can't change data values. We need to save them somewhere else, and then we can change the data tables. Yes, I need this because I need color ramp this in here. So then should be close, which is like yes. So with this, armed with this cool constellation, we can do this, and then what we can do is do another mix, then we do a color here, then we do this, and then it goes in there. And now change it. It should be add. No, I can just drag this in. It should work. Why not? Factor is correct. Oh, didn't have it on mix. And this is how you get an animal picture on a texture. Or on a procedural generated. Oh, hang on. I need to unwrap it again. Of course, I need to shout you out. Yes, it was back then when DALI came out. We were playing. Yo, Practical, how are you doing? Let me give you a shout out. At Practical NPC. He's doing a. Now what are those games called? Damn! Platformer. Platformer. With a cute little ghost creature. The whole gang is here. Exactly,
Oh, and we
exactly.
already have it. Play animation. So whenever we enter a new state, this is where we play the animation. And what I like to do, for the most part, is be
Yeah, so the hedgehog I got when we were playing around with DALI for the first time. We were sitting in Discord and I don't remember who it was. I think Wormjuice came in, or maybe someone was like, hey, yeah, there's this new stuff, right? And we were playing around, just give me some text and I put it in and we see what comes out. Then I got this hedgehog, which is a hedgehog in a medieval knight's armor. And it looks really good, right? It even has those little gloves, chainmail gloves. See, I'm a game dev. I knew it, the day would come. Oh, nice to see you here. Practical Networker 2000. I mean, networking is part of the process, right? By now I always know someone to ask for something. So let's put in some noise. Let's make some noise. Because noise is really nice if you want to create go-to idea for roughness. After stream I will probably just add some... Oh, what the f... I will remove this line, wherever it's coming from. A good question, where is it coming from? 1, 2... This lid, I swear to God, I hate this lid so. It's the lid, right? Yes. The practical, how was yours? You did stream earlier, right? Yes, I was in your stream. Yes, you were working on a new level and a new design for the levels. Yes, yes. I remember that. I was there. I was there when it was written. So what I don't like is that this line now seems to be really fucking slim. I probably can change. Auto tiling? It's actually not that hard. Yes, I did this before. Some people might remember that I was working at a citywille at some point. They had a system for roads and fields. What of it? Yeah, that's now we're talking. Yeah, I just need to think about how I set it up and then use it as I set it up. And then suddenly everything is white. What the hell is going on? Oh. Alright, yeah, there we go. No clue why that worked. But who cares? Alright, let's put in the blue. You know what, I would just steal in design. I mean the city building mechanics in that. So practical, you will be happy to see or hear that I today on stream in the first hour acquired a new skill, right? Which is making GIFs. Do you want to see my GIF that I made myself? It's called the goosening. It tells the story of ascension. I just need to find it. There it is. That's it. That's it. Did it myself. Bridge. It snaps and the goose ascends to heaven. Yes. Very proud of that. So after my axolotl recently was not well received by everyone, I had to go into goose or geese. Well, it's just one for now. Maybe. I actually wanted to search for something. Oh, they picked on white rider. 55 grain. What are you gonna shoot with? I mean, it can be picked in any way, right? What we can do is actually like go for the nature style. Make some noise. Has such Ocean's 11 feelings, right? I have a job for you. The sample phase. The best part of every movie. Let me show you some tricks, right? Everyone who's Blender interested. Use this for the blue one. You do some food or make some food and lurk. I will just finish the nature stuff and then we are pretty much out. There we go. That's maybe too much. Go for 0. Oh, it's not. Actually quite decent. Alright, we have this in, we have this in. Wink. So first of all we need to put this. And we need to get in some more details. It should give needed. Because now and just can copy it at the end probably and just put it on the inside as well. You don't even have to, because it's all above the service line. Oh yeah. And now we can just give these its own color. And we put some writing on it. Now we're pretty much done. So let me render this for a moment. Hope the stream doesn't lag. Ugh. Why is this red now? There we go. Alright. That's still wrong. Better now. So why is that? Colors are way too close. No. It's too close. Well, nobody will probably notice. Just the people watching now will know. Alright, let's find someone to raid. So we have Mavis and Cricket. We haven't been raiding Mavis for a while. Damn, nobody's on today. Flash, raid. Mabuse, Games. Funny streamer, sings 30 songs. That's all we probably need. Good to hang out in the evenings and nights. So, I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you have fun. I hope you learned something. Wednesday streams started as the most boring ones, but they're amazing lately. Thanks to all of you. Really distracting me and don't take it too serious here, right? So, I enjoy them really much by now. Maybe play some games sometime, huh? I can do that. Yes, the geese probably will continue next Wednesday. So, alright. I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you learned something. For instance, that I can pick up animation really quickly. And hedgehogs are cute. And I'm a hedgehog person. Maybe something. I hate potatoes, so now you have enough information about me and all important ones. So, I see you all on Sunday when we do game dev stuff. Probably something cooler than icons. So, I see you all next time. Bye bye.
I want to talk to you.